What if I told you that the biggest reason your pepper plants produce tiny harvests has nothing to do with fertilizer? It's not because you planted the wrong variety. It's not because they need more sunshine. And no, it's not because you forgot to add Epsom salt. The real reason is hidden underground, completely invisible to the naked eye. Right now, beneath every healthy pepper plant is a microscopic partner that works night and day to unlock nutrients, protect roots, and help produce bigger, thicker peppers. The problem? Most home gardeners accidentally destroy this invisible helper before it ever has a chance to work. Welcome back to Senior Garden Advisor. I'm glad you're here. If you're new, consider subscribing for simple, science-backed gardening tips that help you grow bigger harvests every season. Today, we're uncovering one of the biggest breakthroughs in modern soil biology, a tiny living organism that many commercial growers already use, but most home gardeners have never heard about. Once you understand how it works, you'll never look at your garden soil the same way again. So grab your notebook and let's dig beneath the surface. Why more fertilizer isn't fixing your peppers. When pepper plants struggle, most of us do exactly the same thing. We buy another fertilizer, maybe one with more nitrogen, maybe a bloom booster, maybe calcium, maybe magnesium. We keep feeding the soil, yet somehow the peppers stay small. Flowers drop, growth slows, harvests disappoint. Here's why. Your pepper roots can't eat fertilizer directly. Nutrients have to be unlocked first. Think about your refrigerator. Having food inside doesn't help if the door is locked. That's exactly what happens underground. Your soil may already contain plenty of nutrients, but without the right biology, your pepper plants simply can't reach them. For decades, we believed gardening was mostly chemistry. Today, we know it's biology first. Healthy soil isn't just dirt, it's a living ecosystem. And every successful pepper plant depends on millions of tiny organisms working around its roots. The invisible partner beneath every healthy pepper plant. Meet Trichoderma. Don't worry about pronouncing it perfectly. Just remember one thing. It's one of the most beneficial fungi you can add to your garden. Now, I know what you're thinking. A fungus? Aren't fungi bad? Actually, most fungi aren't harmful at all. Many are essential for healthy plants. Trichoderma naturally lives in healthy forests, fields, and rich garden soils around the world. For millions of years, pepper plants and this microscopic fungus have worked together as partners. It's in a relationship nature perfected long before fertilizers were ever invented. The pepper plant feeds Trichoderma small amounts of natural sugars produced during photosynthesis. In return, Trichoderma becomes an extension of the root system. It searches for nutrients, protects against disease, improves water absorption, and even encourages stronger root growth. That's an incredible trade. Superpower 1. It unlocks hidden nutrients. Here's something most gardeners never realize. A large percentage of the phosphorus in garden soil is locked away. Your pepper plant simply can't use it. Without phosphorus, roots stay weak, flowers decrease, fruit production suffers. This is where Trichoderma shines. It releases natural enzymes that break apart those locked nutrients. Suddenly, phosphorus becomes available. Iron becomes easier to absorb. Micronutrients move into the roots much more efficiently. Instead of constantly adding more fertilizer, your plant starts using what's already there. It's like discovering money hidden in your own wallet. Superpower 2. Bigger roots mean bigger peppers. This might be the biggest benefit of all. Trichoderma doesn't just feed roots, it actually stimulates them to grow. More fine feeder roots develop. Root hairs multiply. The entire underground system becomes larger and more efficient. Why does that matter? Because everything happening above ground depends on what happens below ground. Larger roots absorb more water. more nutrients, more oxygen, which means stronger stems, healthier leaves, and bigger peppers. Commercial growers have known for years that healthy roots often produce healthier harvests than simply adding more fertilizer. Roots always come first. Superpower 3. Your pepper plant gets its own bodyguard. Pepper plants face plenty of enemies underground: root rot, damping off, harmful fungi, disease-causing microbes. Many gardeners don't even know these problems exist until the plant suddenly collapses. Trichoderma acts like a microscopic security team. When harmful fungi approach the roots, Trichoderma competes for space, consumes available food, releases natural compounds that slow harmful organisms. In many cases, it prevents disease before it ever starts. Think of it like hiring thousands of tiny gardeners whose only job is protecting your pepper roots. Healthy roots almost always lead to healthier plants. Superpower 4. More flowers, less blossom drop. Here's something pepper growers love. Strong roots don't just grow bigger plants, they help plants hold on to more flowers. Many peppers lose blossoms during periods of heat or stress. That's called blossom drop. When roots struggle, the plant simply doesn't have enough resources to support every flower, so it sacrifices them. But healthier roots provide a steadier supply of water and nutrients. That reduces stress. The plant stays stronger during hot weather. More blossoms remain. More blossoms become peppers. And that's exactly what every gardener wants. How to use Trichoderma the right way. The easiest time to apply Trichoderma is during planting. If you're transplanting pepper seedlings, lightly dust the root ball with the powder before placing it into the planting hole. That's where the fungus establishes its partnership. Already have peppers growing? No problem. Mix the product with clean, chlorine-free water according to the label, then slowly pour the solution around the base of each plant. Focus on soaking the root zone, not the leaves. One important warning: because Trichoderma is a living fungus, avoid using chemical fungicides immediately before or after applying it. Otherwise, you'll destroy the very helper you're trying to introduce. If fungicides are necessary, leave at least 2 weeks between applications whenever possible. Give the beneficial fungus time to establish itself. A healthy soil is smarter than any fertilizer. One of the biggest changes happening in gardening today is this: we're finally realizing that healthy soil isn't something we manufacture, it's something we protect. Instead of trying to force plants to grow with more chemicals, we're learning how to work with nature instead of against it. That's exactly what Trichoderma represents. Not a miracle product, not magic, just one of nature's oldest partnerships finally getting the attention it deserves. When your soil is alive, your pepper plants become stronger, healthier, more resilient, and far more productive. Final thoughts. This season, don't just feed your pepper plants, feed the living soil beneath them. Because the healthiest gardens aren't built from the bag of fertilizer with the biggest numbers. They're built from billions of tiny living partners working silently beneath every root. And sometimes, the biggest secret to growing giant peppers is something you'll never actually see. If you found today's video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Senior Garden Advisor for more science-backed, easy-to-follow gardening tips designed especially for home gardeners. Until next time, grow smart, grow safe, and keep your soil alive. We'll see you in the next video.